Hi guys, hope you all have a fantastic day. Well, we are finally working on Niva and first time with the lift. So, because we have a lift, first thing we're gonna do is to remove everything else from the interior. And Bob is gonna need to find a new place to sleep, but we need to remove everything, steering wheel, wires and everything else, gas tank, and everything need to go to the bare metal. So yeah, not the best first job for the lift, but we are finally removing almost everything and starting working on it, not just disassemble it. And I can't wait that we are starting to put parts back in. But I went on some shopping spree when I bought the lift, so I bought even more tools. I bought this for the mounting tires, and I don't need it at the moment. But after we finish this Niva, we are making a LADA for drifting. And I want to mount the tires here and have everything for the track ready. And one more tool I bought is this air hose, so that everything just looks nice and clean. And that's it. Now I need to stop spending money and I need to work on this Niva to get it finished, because I have so many more projects that will come and I want to finish this as soon as I can. So let's start working. I didn't plan today to be in the engine bay, but that's how the wires got me. Wiring. It's always such a pleasure doing that. And I know, it just sucks, but you need to do. So let me show you. Well, this is organized as much as I can, so that we can pull everything. We got a bunch of wires here, and this was just some aftermarket by me. That's not a problem. And we remove the not the blinkers, the thingies that go like this. I can't remember how it's named. Wipers, thank you. And now we are going back inside. Well, yeah, I didn't plan to be in the engine bay today, but it is what it is. Now we can pull some wires out, and I can't wait to be done with the wiring. I really don't have any order, so now I just remove everything from the heating and ventilation, but that is what it is. It's just one piece is not in the place where you can pull another things out, so you need to pull this, then you can pull that. So yeah, I'm going as I can. So yeah, today's video is a little bit of me jumping from place to place, but we are making progress, and that's the most important. Now you can go in the interior like this. Let's continue working. Okay, engine is now looking really, really clean, but inside is a chaos at the moment. So we just need all of this to pull out, and then we are finally done. So close. Well, I think that the hardest part is done, and when you think about it, it's not that much wires, it's just a LADA. Just imagine how much wire there is in the new cars. This is an old car, and that's not a lot of wires. So yeah. But I'm studying to be electrical engineer, so I hate them. No, it's really not. It's not that hard, but it looks intimidating. When you see everything like this, well, it looks like a very hard job. But the most important thing is I have everything labeled what it is. So this shouldn't be that much problem to put it in. But I'm gonna do a new wiring because someone played it with this one. And there is such a lot of bad connections and exposed wires. I'm impressed that didn't catch on fire this whole LADA, because I had an air conditioning in this Niva and someone did a really bad job of wiring. So I'm gonna rewire a whole car, but that's in the future. And let me show you what next. Now we're gonna need to remove these awesome seats, and if you ask me, my favorite modification, it's these seats. It's awesome, they're so comfy, I can't wait to go on a drive with them. But now we need to remove them, and if you want to see how I put this in, I'm gonna link description in the below so that you can find it. And now we need to remove the gas tank, and that's pretty much it. Well guys, the tank is out, and this was such a well-lit shot. I just removed it with everything, but it's not too bad. It's not a really hard job. But now our LADA is really going to the bare metal. I need to do a couple of this wiring to remove this washer fluid bottle. Just a couple of pieces, but I'm gonna do that off the camera. All the main is out and everything is looking really good. Today was a really productive day, so I'm really happy about how everything is going to look, and we are really getting it finished and start working on it. Well guys, this is it for today. In the next episode we are gonna remove the LPG tank, the rear differential, tow hitch, and that's pretty much it. Then everything is out. Rear bumper, and that's pretty much it. I can't believe it. Can't wait to start working. So guys, please, if you like this kind of videos, consider subscribing. It's helping me a lot, and I always love to see that someone likes to watch what I do. So please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.